Welcome to EasyTON, ladies and gentlemen. One of the easy crypto faucets, talking about the family of Easy Light, EasyTron, Easy Solana, and this one looks like this is the latest addition because surprisingly I'm not on this one. So I want to show you guys how to earn free Ton coins on EasyTON. So I'll be leaving a link in the pinned comment of the video and also on the Telegram page. And when you click on it, you find yourself here. Since you do not have an account ready, you should use the sign up button instead. So on the sign up page, you are to choose a username, provide your email address, choose a password, confirm password, solve the captcha, and you click on sign up. And your account will be created. You can see everything is brand new, zero task, zero balance. I wonder where the 6 games coming from, zero referrals. So you scroll to available task and you have a Faucet claim waiting, ready to claim. So you click on ready to claim button there. You are on the early claim. So you come down here, solve the capture, click on ready to claim. I just earned that amount of ton as you can see on my balance. So other ways to earn here include surveys, short links, and as well as referrals, right? So the platform is not in any way different from the other easy facets that we know, talking about Easy Light, Easy Solana, Easy Tron, Easy Doge. Let's click on menu here. You find short links. So you can participate in short links. I've done a couple of videos about short links, so I'll be sparing us some time. But all you need to do is, in summary, click on any one of this link and you follow it. So most times they keep redirecting you to other sites, but you keep coming back till you are done and you receive the corresponding rewards. Next on the menu is games. So there are dice, there is mines, there is baccarat, slots, poker, games. I'm not much of a game person, so you endeavor to do your research. And if you understand games very well, you can go for it. So there is a streak challenge here. How it works: choose a streak from 5 to 10 days. Hit your daily betting target to keep the streak alive. Miss one day and the challenge fails. Longest streak give massively higher rewards. Complete a 10-day streak for up to 1.5 bonus. Well, I'm just saying this one for the first time, right? So you might want to understand it better if it's something you find interesting. And there is the surveys, there is task. You have reward here. If you can go to Trustpilot, log into your account, give a star rating and write a review. Whether it's positive or negative is entirely up to you. Please make sure to include your EasyTON username, and this is my username in the review. This is required to help us verify faster. Submit your review proof by either providing the direct Trustpilot review link here. If you're unsure how to do it, you can follow the instructions. And I'm seeing 250,000 nanotons for that. They also have the video task. You create a video about the platform and your title and description text must include EasyTON.ai, must include your referral link in the video description, and you must have at least 350 plus views on YouTube to be eligible for the rewards, and the rewards will be 5 million nanotons. So if you have made a video and you are eligible, you can submit the link here by pasting it and clicking on submit your proof. So next on the menu is the bonuses. So looks like my bonus history here is my early claim facet. There is notifications, there is wallet, there is settings, there is referrals where you can get your referral link. You can simply copy this here and go share with your family and friends on any social media platform of your choice, and as they register and start using the platform, you earn 10% of referral commissions when users complete facets, survey, short links, and you can also earn 0.4% of users wager. Then if you want to withdraw, you can simply click on wallet here and then you click on withdraw. The minimum withdrawal threshold is 0.1 ton, and there's going to be a gas fee of 0.0005 ton, right? So if you hit that threshold, you can just get your wallet address and impute it here, enter the amount that you want to withdraw here, and you click on withdraw ton and you wait. Payment will be credited to the provided wallet address as soon as the process is completed. You also have the settings here. So if you want to change your password, if you want to do two-factor authentication, you can do that here. So right on this settings page, you can see the verify email button, so you click on it and the link will be sent to your provided email address. So you come to your inbox, you click on the link and they say your email has been successfully verified, and then you have the FAQs, frequently asked questions. What is EasyTON? How do I register? How can I earn from EasyTON? That is probably fair. So all of these questions are answered here. All you need to do is simply tap on any one of the questions and then a drop down will display the answer, right, in full details. So that's what EasyTON is about. Like I said, I just signed up on EasyTON today, but I've used their sister platform, talking about Easy Light, EasyTON, TRX, Easy Solana, and I've withdrawn from all of that, including Easy Doge, right? So I want to believe this one too will not disappoint, just like the others. But regardless, I do not own these projects. I'm not in any way affiliated. I just stumbled across it and I've decided to share since it presents an opportunity of earning free cryptocurrency. So endeavor to do your research and be responsible for actions taken after watching this. Thanks and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.